Are you tired of all the false promises from make money online noise? You are in luck. I've discovered the ultimate shortcut for beginners to make over $85 per hour online in 2024. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking to boost your income, this is the effortless way to make money online. So don't miss out on the opportunity to change your financial landscape. And the secret method is CPA marketing on tapmob.io. What is CPA marketing? Well, CPA, or cost per action, is a game changer in online marketing. In this business model, advertisers pay affiliates not for sales, but for specific actions taken by visitors on their website or through a designated link. Forget about the pressure to make a purchase. We're talking about earning commissions for actions as simple as filling out a form, signing up for a trial, or even downloading an app. No need for your audience to reach for their wallets. Instead, you get paid not just when someone buys, but when they sign up, try out a service, or interact with the advertiser in various ways. It's a win-win that flips the script on conventional affiliate strategies. Now, why should you care about CPA marketing? Simple, because it's a goldmine of untapped potential. Unlike its traditional counterpart, CPA marketing opens up a world where your earnings aren't solely dependent on closing a sale. It's about understanding the diverse actions your audience can take and optimizing your strategy to cash in on every click, form fill, or trial sign-up. Tapmob.io. Meet Tapmob.io, your new best friend in the world of making money online. It's not just a mobile app platform. It's your gateway to effortlessly raking in some cash by sharing CPA campaigns right from your trusty mobile device. What you need to do is share CPA campaigns directly from your mobile devices. The platform has a user-friendly interface and a robust tracking system, which provides you with a convenient means to oversee your campaigns and monitor your earnings. But hold on, here's the really cool part. Through Tapmob.io, the precision of targeting takes center stage, allowing users to tailor campaigns based on factors such as location and interests. This ensures that every campaign resonates with its intended audience. You can tailor your outreach based on location, interests, and more so that your campaigns reach the right audience. Step 1, choose a niche. Let's talk strategy. Instead of casting your net wide, why not zoom in? Why not choose a specific niche? Well, when you focus on a specific audience that vibes with your interests and expertise, magic happens. Why does it work? Well, think about it. By speaking directly to a particular crowd, you're not just shouting into the void. You're having a meaningful conversation. You will be able to better tailor your campaigns to fit the preferences of your chosen audience. It's not about being a jack of all trades. It's about being the master of your lane. So take a moment and identify your niche. In order to find your niche, the simplest way is to make a list of your interests and check Google Trends to see what's trending right now. And then you need to find a connection between your interests and topics that are trending right now. Step 2, sign up. Now you need to open tapmob.io and sign up for this application to unlock all the CPA offers. But it is currently invitation only. So you need to find a referral code, which you can easily get with a simple search on Google. Many creators nowadays are promoting it and giving out their referral codes. Step 3, find high-paying offers. Your golden ticket to maximizing earnings lies in identifying offers with not just attractive payouts, but also a diverse array of conversion options. Let's say you come across an offer for a fitness app that pays a significant commission for every user who signs up for a premium subscription. Now, instead of stopping there, you notice that the fitness app offer provides various conversion options. Users can convert by signing up for a free trial, purchasing a subscription, or even referring friends to the app. This diversity in conversion options gives you multiple avenues to earn commissions. By doing so, you're not just skimming the surface, you're delving deep into the lucrative possibilities that can significantly improve your earning potential. This strategic approach ensures that every promotion you undertake resonates with your audience, delivering not just monetary gains, but also genuine value. Step 4, choose a platform to advertise your offers. Now you need to decide how you are going to get traffic. I would personally suggest that you do it on Instagram. But remember, this is the exact time to experiment. You can use Facebook, Twitter, aka X, Snapchat, or even create a website to drive traffic. There are no rules here. You can pick any platform and start promoting your offers. Step 5, start promoting. Don't shy away from trying out different Facebook ad creatives, landing pages, and targeting options. Test, analyze, and repeat. It's basically a science experiment where the goal is to crack the code for your audience. Continuously tweak and optimize your campaigns to hit that sweet spot, the one where conversions and earnings reach their peak. The key? Analyze the results to uncover the winning formula that resonates best with your audience. It's not just about one-time tweaks. Make optimization a continuous journey. Fine-tune your campaigns to the max and ensure that every adjustment contributes to the ultimate goal, which is to maximize your conversions and, of course, your earnings. Step 6. Go big or go home. Hey, high five for hitting that sweet spot. Now that you've discovered a campaign that's rocking the charts, it's time to crank up the volume and scale things up. Take a leap and increase your ad spend. Reach beyond the horizon and tap into a wider audience. Why settle for good when you can aim for greatness? TapMob.io has your back with handy budgeting and bidding tools, making the scaling process a breeze. Now, keep in mind that it is all about strategically expanding your reach. When I suggest taking a leap and increasing ad spend, the intention is to strategically invest more in advertising. It's crucial to approach this with a thoughtful strategy to avoid unnecessary risks and ensure profitability. Let's say you're currently spending $500 per month on advertising and you're seeing a positive return on investment, ROI. Now, you decide to increase your ad spend to $1,000 per month to reach a wider audience. You should gradually increase your ad spend instead of making a sudden jump. For example, increase it by 20% initially and evaluate the results before making further adjustments. You also need to regularly evaluate whether the increased ad spend is resulting in a proportional increase in profits. If you notice diminishing returns or the campaign becomes unprofitable, you will have to reassess your strategy. Step 7. Stay up to date with the trends. In a world that's ever-changing, staying in the loop is your key to success. Ride the wave of industry trends by staying informed about the latest trends and best practices. Follow the right gurus, dive into insightful blogs, and mark your attendance at webinars. This wealth of knowledge isn't just for show. It's your secret sauce to staying one step ahead of the competition. Armed with the latest insights, you'll be well equipped to optimize your campaigns for success. How to maximize your revenue. If you really want to maximize your earnings with TapMobi.io, you definitely need to go beyond the basics with these savvy techniques. First off, make high-paying offers your best pals. You need to find the top-notch CPA offers, which will eventually help you get juicy payouts that give your earnings a significant boost. Next, break free from the monotony and explore diverse traffic sources. Always remember that you should never put all your eggs in one basket. Experiment with social media ads and native advertising, and team up with influencers to breathe life into your campaigns and broaden your audience reach. You can also harness the power of data analytics provided by TapMob.io. You need to use it as your compass to navigate campaign performance. On top of that, you need to strategically allocate your budget and fine-tune your game plan. Keep a vigilant eye on the dark side, fraudulent practices in the CPA marketing realm. You can leverage TapMob.io's fraud detection tools to safeguard your earnings and ensure they're the real deal. Lastly, don your networking hat and build solid connections with affiliate managers. They're not just contacts, they're your backstage pass to insights on high-performing offers and additional support to elevate your success. So that's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you liked my video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and stay tuned.